Now students, we are going to meet one of the great scientists from our science history, Dr. William Beaumont, in the topic Meet the Scientist. Dr. William Beaumont, born in the year 1785 in Connecticut, United States of America. He was born in 1785 in Connecticut in United States of America. Was a surgeon in United States Army. He was surgeon in the United States Army. On June 6, 1822, on June 6, 1822, a man named Alexis Saint Martin was shot in the stomach from a close range. Okay, what happened on June 6, 1822? A man named Alexis Saint Martin was shot in the stomach from close range, and this injured his ribs and his stomach. Because of that fire, there was injury in his ribs and in his stomach. Although Saint Martin survived, he developed a gaping hole in his stomach that never fully healed. Okay, and due to this accident, due to this firing, okay, there was damage in ribs and stomach, and the hole is created in his stomach and that never fully healed. Dr. Beaumont took this unique opportunity to observe the digestive process through the hole in Saint Martin's stomach. Okay, and there was hole in Martin's stomach, and that's why reason Beaumont took some experiment related to digestive process. Okay, inside the hole in Martin's stomach. Dr. Beaumont began to perform various experiments on digestion on Saint Martin. When this Martin was eating, then process of digestion started in his body. That time Dr. Beaumont performed various activities, experiment to study about the digestion of food. These experiments led to many important discoveries, and due to these experiments, he came to know about the some information, some discoveries about the human digestive system. Dr. Beaumont found that gastric acid and muscular contraction of stomach digest the food. When he performed many more experiments, then he found that there is a gastric acid inside the stomach, as well as there is a muscular contraction of stomach, and it helped to digest the food. Owing to the many discoveries, made by Dr. Beaumont, he is considered as the father of gastric physiology. Okay, due to contribution of Dr. William Beaumont in study of digestion of food. Okay, Dr. Beaumont considered as a father of gastric physiology. Okay, so in this way we studied about one of the great scientists, Dr. William Beaumont.